Hey y'all, today we are showing you some Jeep Wrangler step bars. So right away we see they come nice and packaged very well. They even have it written passenger right side. So surprisingly, they're not terribly heavy. But they're definitely very nice. I don't know if you guys can see the quality. We'll show you it up close, but they're definitely nice. I like it. Here you can see better up close. Got your bolt bracket all built in, so everything's built in, which is nice. Full round tube, so the tubes are rounded. Makes it easier for cleaning. You do get a gap in between, so that allows mud and stuff not to pack too much, snow. So we got these bars for when our automatic fail. So you can see we have the bar here, kind of get an idea how it would look. Obviously it would be hanging up closer and it wouldn't be down so far, so it would tuck in and you would mount it up. Right now we have amp research automatic, so these automatically drop down and go back up, but I've been told that these fail after a couple years. So basically when this one fails, the automatic, we're going to have it removed and we're going to put these installed, because I actually really like the quality. I might paint the blue black, which I like that they actually put the bracket that you can take it off. So we're going to take that off for painting, to make it all blend in. But I'm very happy with this, like very impressed. And it looks like it mounts up to your bolts on your vehicle. So 2 bolts here, so you see the 2 openings here would go with the 2 bolts, and then in the back it would bolt up in, so here, and up in. The same over here, so the bolts would go here. Maybe have to make it closer depending. Actually no, that's lined up right there, and same over there. So they make it very easy, like very simple. I mean, a job that I probably could do. So this brand I'm very impressed with the quality, with how easy everything is. I don't think you guys would go wrong at all. I really don't. I think this, if you're looking for a step bar, definitely it.